Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Stainless steel utility tongs. Stainless steel construction. These tongs feature a high-quality 430 stainless steel frame. Lock tongs when not in use. Featuring a convenient locking mechanism provides the versatility to securely store the tongs in a drawer or in a crock. When the lock is not engaged, these tong arms should spring open freely at a 30-degree range. Convenient size. These tongs measure 11.57 inches. Dishwasher safe. These tongs are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Warranty. These tongs come with a 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited warranty. Food storage container. Largest glass container with airtight locking and handle lid. Quality design, 220 ounces / 6,500 ml / 28 cups. Glass container with locking lid is the largest you will find with locking lid. Razab uses premium grade material to bring you industrial and restaurant grade glass to your home kitchen. Airtight leak proof. Multipurpose can be used as bakeware or for storage. The perfect solution to bake your lasagna for lunch or meat/chicken for dinner and store them as well. Silicone-sealed BPA-free plastic lids. Plastic lid is not microwave or oven safe. Leak-proof storage. Container is easily sealed, airtight, and spill-proof. Square glass food container. Keep leftovers fresh. Goes straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven to the table. Food can be cooked directly in the container using microwave or oven. Garlic press. Impel TO use built to last. Our premium quality garlic chopper is constructed from food-grade, rust-resistant materials meant to be among your favorite kitchen gadgets for years to come. This garlic and ginger mincer is designed with built-in studs to extract more paste within seconds. It is great for both professional and home kitchens. Peel and crush effortlessly. No more strong garlic odor or sticky residue lingering on your hands, as our silicone peeler does the job for you. Insert a clove inside the silicone and roll the sleeve vigorously over the counter with your palm to get the skin off the clove. Then use the ergonomic handle of the garlic mincer to crush cloves in one go by applying minimal effort. Easy TO clean. Simply rinse your garlic and ginger press tool under running water and use the included cleaning brush to get rid of any garlic bits or place it in the dishwasher for a quick cleanup. Adjustable pet food measuring. Food-grade materials. The cat dog food scoop is made of food-grade PET and ABS materials and can be in full contact with food. The smooth surface of food measuring cup is easy to clean, ensuring every bite your pet takes is safe, and it's durable and long-lasting use. Scale adjustable design. 1/2 dog cat food scoop is clearly marked with the capacity. It is used to accurately measure the proportions of your pet's food, making it easy for you to customize a standard diet. This measuring food scoop has an adjustable capacity from 1/8 cup to 1/2 cup, 2 tablespoons to 9 tablespoons. Digital meat thermometer. 2.0 inches large auto-rotating backlit display. Candy thermometer has a 180 degrees auto-rotating backlit display, making this kitchen thermometer perfect for left-hand users and allows you to use it in low light conditions. Motion sensing sleep-wake. Directly turns on and off by the probe opens or closes. Instantly wakes when picked up the digital food thermometer and sleeps when set down to save battery power. Up to 3,000 hours with included 3A battery. IP65 waterproof convenient storage. Quickly clean the meat thermometers for grilling with probe under running water. Features a magnetic back to allow for placement on any metal surface or use the hang hole for hooks. 3 to 4 seconds ultra-fast response time with highly accurate to plus or minus 0.9. Instant read meat thermometer features 4.3 inches food-grade stainless steel probe. Suitable for measure any type of food temp with the cooking thermometer. Kitchen shears. Premium stainless steel blades. Built to resist rust and maintain sharpness, these stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance. Featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle. Designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Includes protective sheath. Comes with a convenient, sturdy plastic sheath to protect the blades when not in use, ensuring safety and blade longevity. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. While hand washing is recommended to maintain blade quality, these shears are dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Balloon whisk. Fatigue-free mixing 8.5 plus 10.5 plus 12 thickened wire comfy non-slip grip made anti whisk can be fatigue-free mixing. Proper balance between floppy and sturdy. More guaranteed than others. Great for non-stick pots, and PNSNE at whisk have sturdy silicone protective cover, which is non-stick itself and won't scratch the non-stick coating in your pots and pans. Easy cleaning after using. Anti whisks are perfect with your cooking ware. SWFT, comfortable, non-slip handle at innovative ergonomic handle shape and soft, comfortable grip to absorb pressure. Its excellent balance and control let you really feel the quality of Anate. HEAT-resistant durable healthy silicones are resistant to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for cooking almost any favorite food. Anate whisk won't discolor, warp or melt. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Silicone spatula set. Premium 100% food-grade silicone. The silicone spatula set is made of healthy and friendly material, resistant to high temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. No more melting, cracking, and worrying. One piece for easy to clean. With the unique seamless one-piece design, there is no crevices for food to stuck in. The handle will never enter the water. It is very easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Best balance of flexible and sturdy. Too stiff or too soft. Nobody wants that. So we experimented over and over again to try to find the best balance of hardness and flexibility. Here it is. They are sturdy enough to bear pressure and soft enough to reach side of bowl. Safe for non-stick cookware. Our silicone rubber spatulas are gentle on cookware, leaving them unmarked. They're great for non-stick pans. You don't have to worry about scratching your loving and new pots and pans. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy-to-use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas. Measuring cups set. 3-piece. Includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup measuring cups that are perfect for baking, cooking, mixing, and more. Dimensions for 1 cup, 6 diameter into 4.5 high. Dimensions for 2 cup, 6.5 diameter into 4.5 high. Dimensions for 4 cup, 8 diameter into 6 high. Easy to read, featuring bold and large measurements in both ounces and milliliters, making this effortless to read. Easy grip handles. Adding milk to your cake batter, we got you covered. All Pyrex measuring cups feature a curved spout for non-mess pouring and easy grip handles for comfort. Microwavable. Need to melt a cup of butter for a batch of chocolate cookies? Just throw our Pyrex measuring cup in the microwave. High-quality tempered glass is dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven safe. Non-porous glass is BPA-free, non-toxic, and won't absorb food odors, flavors, or stains. Electric salt and pepper grinder. One-handed smart operation with precision grinding. Experience effortless seasoning mill with the one-key switch, gravity sensor, and LED light trio. This intuitive design allows one-handed operation over grinding intensity and quantity, perfect for busy cooking scenarios. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. Rechargeable battery plus quiet motor. The rechargeable salt and pepper grinder set powered by dual 650 mAh Type-C rechargeable batteries. 1+ hour runtime. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. The 12, 800 RPM plus or minus 10% motor delivers fast grinding while maintaining 65 dB noise at 0.5 m distance. Ideal for quiet kitchen environments. Safe, hygienic kitchen essential. Featuring an upgraded anti-collision base, this grinder prevents accidental damage and eliminates short-circuit risks in constantly charging bases, while reducing power consumption for energy efficiency. Crafted with food-grade 304 stainless steel and BPA-free ABS for safe food.